Hi guys, if you want to know how to resize images, videos or stickers in Capcut without cropping, then you are in the right place. We are going to start with an image we want to resize or stretch. Let's drag this image inside the timeline. As you can see here, the normal way to stretch it would be to just drag one of the corners and yes, move it around to resize it. But as you can see here, the width and the height is changing at the same time. So what we are going to do is to just toggle off the uniform scale here. After toggling off, you can see that the scale width and the scale height is separated now. You can either use these sliders or you can just drag these corners and move it around to stretch it, to compress it a little bit, and yes, make it fit to your video size. We can also change to vertical 9:16 and also change to square format, and we can do the same with the video as well. So just drag the video inside the timeline, then toggle off the uniform scale. You can see it's separated and yes, resize it as you need it. What is very cool on Capcut, you can also resize and stretch stickers. Let's try this animated circle. Usually if you use a sticker, for example these marking style stickers, it's not always 100% for your text markings or anything you want to highlight. So just toggle off uniform scale and you can make it fit. In the end, I'm gonna show you how to export it as a video MP4 file, or you can also export a still image as a PNG. We have here the cat again in square format. Let's change it to 16:9. If you want to export it as a video MP4 file, just click on export in the top right corner, fill in all this stuff and click on export. If you just want to have the still image PNG, just click on the hamburger icon right here and export the still image. That's it guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.